Hey, it's Tony here. If you guys want to buy some accessories, now is a good time. They have a lot of good Black Friday deals that you can find from Test Studio. So they have good stuff. They have all kind of Cybertrucks, Junipers, Model 3, X. So they have accessory for almost all the Teslas that you have. So if you use my coupon code, you get a 40% off. So there's no limitation. So you get a 40% off. So I'm going to walk through some of the stuff just real quick and you can buy it. So it's teststudio, right? .com. TESSTUDIO.com. I will put the link in my description. So don't forget to check it out and buy it now. Okay, so you just go to the browser teststudio.com. Once you're there, right now it's a Black Friday deals. It says 36% off, but use the coupon code Tony, Tony. You get 40% off. So let's look at some of the stuff. As you can see over here, you can see new arrivals and Juniper, so on and so forth, Model Y. So all the Tesla product is, for all the cars, it's here. So I got Juniper, so I'm going to just go to Juniper. And if you scroll through, these are some of the good items. I just installed this Frank. It's very excellent items. If you use Frank a lot, I will highly recommend this, right? So let's add this to cart. I just want to show you, right? So just once you're there, you just pick what you want. So this is for my Juniper. I'm just going to add to cart. Once you add to cart, you see a 331. So I will show you, go through the checkout just to show you. So they have a scroll the screen, and this is the indicator that shows, and also this one. This is actually a touchscreen instrument cluster. What you can do is it's even has Apple Play. Because this is a cluster for your car, you can use Apple Play. If you love Apple Play, right, you can use that over here, and it will show you. Let me go inside and just show you. It will show you the direction of you're going and all that stuff, as you can see here. Even show you map if you're using Apple Play, and it shows you the speed limit, and it also gives you over here left and right. If there is a car on the left, is it safe to make a go to the left lane, so on and so forth. So I would say go through this list, right? And you should be able to install that. Some of the product, it's a DIY, right? If you are not a highly DIY person, you might want to find somebody else to install it. But a lot of the stuff, you could install yourself. Okay, so let's go to the cart. And just go to, once you do a checkout, when you do a checkout, you can see you have a discount over here, $337.93 for this, right? It's $534 and you got a discount $337. So if you use a coupon code Tony and apply, and it reduces again, right now it's $327, right? So you got a 40% off because of the Black Friday deal. So go ahead and browse through, and there's no limit. Get whatever you want. They have a Cybertruck items. Let me just show you Cybertruck. If you have a Cybertruck, so they have all kind of Cybertruck items, Model Y items. So everything that you have here, right? They do their product is excellent product. I installed a few of them, and all their products are excellent. Thank you.
Please support by subscribing, liking and sharing the video.